Hey, 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 it's Life Coach Ray coming at you live again with another application. How are you doing today? I hope every one of you all are doing great today. Hope every one of you all are doing fine today. Take a moment right now and pause this video right here, right now, and copy down this GitHub link, github.com/Life Coach Ray/Tech Love News. Tech Love News is our newest project. This project is actually an application that will give you tech news. It has an endpoint to calculate love and also an endpoint to let's go right into the README file. Don't take my word for it. Let's dive right into this. Tech Love News. Tech News. Love Calculator. URL shortener and email validator API. But this application actually serves as an API to provide various functionalities, including scraping for tech news, calculating love capabilities, shortening URLs, validating email addresses, and this API uses the Express framework and several other external packages for functionalities. And the only thing you need to run this application is npm and Node.js. Yes, and you're free to come on down to this GitHub and check out the README file and the codes a little closer. But for now, we're going to go right in here to our app.js file real fast. Yep. And take a look at the application up close and personal, behind the scenes, what's under the hood. So what's under the hood, we have a few packages here: Express, Axios, Cheerio, Chorus, Love Calculator, and Email Validator. All right, so this application go ahead and calls Express, and right here it calls Chorus. We're running Express on port 5001. All right, and the first endpoint under the hood here, we go ahead and call Tech News for the endpoint. And we put in a request, pretty much to scrape the web for tech news, articles about tech news, all right? And we'll get them from a specific website there. You can come look at this a lot closer at the GitHub. It's awesome, by the way. We have an endpoint here for a love calculator. This will calculate the love. You put in the first and second name of the person, and it will give you a meter, how much is y'all are compatible to each other. This actually has two ways to validate and shorten emails. Validate an email and shorten URL. So this final endpoint actually has two functionalities. All right, and you'll put in your URL and your email, and it will take the URL and the email, and it will shorten the URL and validate the email. Check and see if the email is valid. All right, it has a few error messages. This API handles errors for you. It also connects to your local host port. So you and this API actually has a UI to it that's available at a later date or upon request, I should say. But yeah, this is the Tech News Love API. Let's see if we can go to the marketplace now and check it out here. Every time I do an endpoint, or should I say an API, or an application, I will post it here on Rapid API here. And Rapid API basically is a marketplace for APIs. And this is where I market all my APIs at, all right? And before we do anything, you can see it's professionally did. Shows the latency, very low latency. That means it's a very fast and efficient server, 100% service level, no errors. Popularity 7.3 out of 10. It's a pretty popular API, I should say. So we're going to go here and click on the shorten URL and validate email. We're going to run a test on that endpoint here. I don't know if you can see that word test, but I'm clicking the test button, and we got a success. 200 success. Way to go. We'll click on the love calculator endpoint, and we'll do the same thing. We'll click right there on test. Success. There's the GitHub repository. This is the GitHub repository and the final endpoint here. We'll click on it. We'll run the test. Success. This is the GitHub repository. And this is the response. Come on down here to show us an about page. Got a nice README on there. Very nice. Don't have tutorials just yet. Discussion, if you want to talk to me, you can put in a new discussion right here. You can talk to me about this API. Nice pricing here for this API as well. We have a basic plan for $0 a month. And on the basic plan, it's just 8 cents per call. All right, and you get 8 requests per hour. This Pro plan is $8.88 per month. You get 888 requests per month in this package, and anything over that is 8 cents per request. All right, and the Ultra package is $18 a month. Highly recommended for this package if you're going to be using this API. This one comes with 8,888 requests per month. More than enough for a single person, I should say. If you go over, it's fine. You can just pay 8 cents per request over. In the Mega plan has 88,000 requests built into it, and this plan actually, if you go over, it's just 8 cents overage. All right. And this one has 88,888 requests per second. So pretty fast service there. No doubt about it. If you have any questions about the payments, frequently asked questions. All right. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, come on down to Rapid API, github.com, Rapid API, Tech Love Links on Rapid API, Tech Love Links. Come on down, pause this video right here, and get this URL. Rapid API, Business Angels United, Tech Love Links. Tech Love Links. Thank you, and have a great day.